Welcome to Lalas World. Today we're going to talk about how to tag support small business on Instagram. This is a new update, so make sure you have the most updated version of Instagram. Also, be sure to click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you can be notified when more great videos come out. Okay, first, open your Instagram app. Click on your story, take a picture, and this is actually just the back of my cell phone case, but you can use any picture you'd like or a solid background color. Click on the sticker button. If you don't automatically see the support small business sticker, you can search small business and it will show up. Next, you edit your story sticker by clicking after the symbol and typing in the Instagrammer you want to support. For example, you can type Lalas World and profile pictures will populate, and you can select the profile picture you're looking for and then click to enter text. I'm just going to enter my favorite YouTuber, then tap to drag and to move my text. If you want, you can also click to remove thumbnail pics and click again if you decide to replace them if you like. Once you're satisfied, you can click send to the bottom right to share this to your story. Click share, then click done. Click on your story to the top left to view your story. When the story is clicked, the viewer has the option to view the profile of the small business you're supporting. Well, thanks for watching how to tag support small business on Instagram. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.